Hey everyone, this is going to be my exam mini video. I chose prompt 2, so let's just jump right in. So I chose Avatar: The Last Airbender and Legend of Korra, which is the sequel to Avatar: The Last Airbender. These are the main characters from both shows, so let's just jump right in. So we have the family tree. We have Kya and Hakoda, who are parents to Sokka and Katara. Katara and Aang get married and have Bumi, Kya, Tenzin. Tenzin's the only one that marries. He marries Pema, and they have 4 children, Jinora, Ikki, Milo, and Rohan, to make up 4 generations of this family tree. So who are the benders? Bending is the trait that I've decided to see how the mode of inheritance passes it down. Bending is the ability to manipulate the elements. So Kya, Katara, and Kya from the 3rd generation are all water benders. Aang, Tenzin, Jinora, and Ikki are all air benders. So could this be autosomal dominant? Well, from the possible genotypes, yes, it could be autosomal dominant, but this is assuming that Pema and Hakoda are both homozygous recessive. We don't have any parental information on them. But yes, it could be an autosomal dominant trait. So could it be autosomal recessive? Not likely, but let's take a look anyway. Here are the possible genotypes. Assuming Hakoda and Pema are heterozygous for non-bending, we only know this because the information about their children. So right off the bat, we have Bumi, who is a non-bender in the show, but he would inherit a little b and a little b from Katara and Aang because both of their genotypes are the same. Bumi's a non-bender, so it can't be autosomal recessive because for this to work, he would have to be a bender. So could it be X-linked dominant? Well, let's take a look. From the possible genotypes, yes, it actually could be X-linked dominant as well. Just give you a second to check out those genotypes. And could it be X-linked recessive? Well, not likely again, but let's just take a look anyway. It actually cannot be X-linked recessive because right off the bat, Sokka would inherit a Y from Hakoda and a little b from Kya. Kya has to be heterozygous because it's a recessive trait and she is a bender. Sokka is not a bender, so that genotype for him would be incorrect, but there's no other possible genotypes for him. So this could not be X-linked recessive, unfortunately. And Katara and some other genotypes would be wrong as well, but Sokka is the main culprit here. So could it be Y-linked? Well, right off the bat, no, simply because there are female benders in this family, and so it cannot be linked to the Y chromosome because none of them have Y chromosomes. Thank you so much for watching.